Joe Villarices. Once again, this is Nasinda ng Kagadahan 18, your Miss Grand 2024. I'm proud to present to you our lovely candidates, and I thank you. Gia de la Cruz Amores. I am proud to represent Purok Uno. Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan. I should say good evening to everyone. Standing in front of you, she is candidate number 2. Once again, this is Jaja Angita 18. I am proud to representing relocation. Ladies and gentlemen, especially to our dragon esteemed guests and fellow contestants. I am Hannah Agustin Villares, 18. I am proud to represent Furokda. Ladies and gentlemen, especially for our judges and audience. Good evening. My name is Venus Gutierrez Castillo. I'm 17 standard. I'm proud to the honor represent Purok Tres.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Leticia Mira Amasiriaga, 16, representing RGN.
Maayong magabi sa inyong lahat. Bago ako magsisimula, wala po bang palakpakan dyan? At wala rin po bang hiyawan dyan? Maraming salamat po. I am the candidate number 6. My name is Riala Iso de la Cruz, 17 years of age. And I'm proud to represent Puro Cuatro! What is your music? The bread is empty. Good evening. I am Erin J. Francisco Carrazzo,
nag-iwan ng isang kataga. Bakit nga po nanguna ang letter A sa letter B? Attitude before the beauty. Representing Simuling LGBTA+ community.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that was a dazzling presentation